Hey, what's going on, guys? Going to make a quick video for you about how to cancel your eBay store or change it. So we won't make this video very long at all. Go up here to My eBay once you're on eBay and click My eBay. It's the very top one. Click that, which is going to lead you into kind of your dashboard here. You want to come up to account right there underneath your profile name. Go ahead and click on account. Once you're on account, you're going to have a screen that looks like this here. You want to navigate over here to the left-hand side of the menu page to subscriptions. Go ahead and click on subscriptions. Now, once you click on subscriptions, then this page will pop up right here. And right now, the only reason I have this store is I went on vacation and wanted that vacation notification, which I think should be free, but to each their own. And right now, just in time, I want to cancel my subscription. You can change your subscription right here, but I want to cancel mine. So I'm going to go ahead and click cancel subscription. Okay, so after we clicked cancel subscription, then they're obviously wanting you to return your subscription. They're telling you what you're potentially could be missing out on, etc. I do list a lot, but not enough to benefit from $7.95 a month or 1 year in advance, I think for $4.95. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm cancellation of my eBay store. Now, of course, I will still have, looks like the website was a little bit mumbo jumbo there. Let me go ahead and see if I can refresh it here. All right, so I came back to the same menu here, and instead of having an expiration date here, it says change subscription, which means that March 31st, I will no longer have a store. So I still have a store until March 31st, and then it won't renew. And then once you click on, this is just to confirm that it has been changed and canceled. And then obviously it says your starter store monthly subscription is expiring at the end of the month, knowing that you will not be billed again and you no longer have a store anymore. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully this helped you cancel or change your subscription eBay store. Hit that thumbs up button on the way out and subscribe. We got a lot more action in the books. I'll see you guys next time. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.